best tool for grilling is a great pair of tongs. You can grab, lift, and turn food without piercing it, and they keep your hands far from the heat. But too often, grill tongs have big problems. Either they look like they were made for Paul Bunyan, huge, heavy, clunky, and hard to control, or they're just too lightly built for serious cooks with flimsy arms and pathetic pincers. Bad tongs make grilling harder than it should be. So we tested 6 models priced from $15 to $30. We grilled asparagus spears, chicken parts, and full slabs of Memphis ribs. We used them to open and close hot grill grates and vents and to arrange glowing coals into a banked fire. Some of these were disastrous. This pair by Man Law weighs 2 pounds. And we had to flip chicken with kind of a weird sideways shoveling motion with 2 hands because no way could we squeeze them closed with 1 hand. And look at this thing. It's got crazy arrow-shaped pincers, and they just ripped into food. And this heat shield only worked sometimes, and its swinging lock hooked shut at all the wrong times. This one has this brain-twisting lock where you squeeze it upright to lock and point it down and squeeze to open. And that never became natural. Our winner is the OXO Good Grip 16-inch locking tongs. They're just 8 ounces, so they're agile and comfortable, with a nice springy tension that's just right. These scalloped pincers can pick up a single toothpick, or they can hoist a heavy glass jar, no problem. They lock and unlock in a snap, and they clean up in the dishwasher. For $15, the OXO Good Grip 16-inch locking tongs are the best grill tool around.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.